Hey guys, welcome back to Natural Times 2. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can shingle type 4 hair. But before I get into that, I'm going to do a quick length check to see if we've had any growth or not from my rice water treatment. So it's been about, I would say, 2 weeks since I first started using the rice water. And I must say my hair has not been shedding as much. I would say my hair sheds about a quarter less than it used to, so that's good. Also, when I first started using rice water, my hair was very hard, but now my hair is feeling a lot softer since I've been using the rice water with my deep conditioner. So I'm happy with these results even if I've not seen much growth. But yeah, let's do a quick length check and see what's going on. So last time I took 2 pieces from the front and I just kind of stretched them out to see how long they were. So this is how long it is on the left. And this is how long it is on the right. So I honestly can't remember how long it was the last time I did a length check, but that's okay. I'm gonna insert a clip of last time so we can compare the two. But like I said, even if I have not experienced growth, I'm okay with that because my hair sheds a lot less and it feels a lot thicker and healthier. So anyways, without further ado, let's get into my shingling routine. If you're interested in seeing how I get my hair nice and like curly for my wash and go, make sure you stay tuned. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. thank you guys for watching. That's how I shingle my hair. I'll be back in about 6 hours to show you how it looks when it's dry. See you guys.